People have them way they feel like fi shut you down because they want to predict say. Or him a go say this the stone not tough or the stone tough. No. Some of the time I know really that you go say about the stone. Some of the time you want to say, you know, so that stone enough for there so it can put there so and it fit in there so.
You're watching True Confession. What is your story? What is your journey?
True confession. This is a true confession. Yeah, man.
So confession. Cause if you not talk, people don't know. But yet still, some of the time you want to talk, but people them just not give you a chance to talk. Them always try to shut you down before them spend some time to listen to what you have to say. And then now them can know how you feel inside and what I go through your brain and what heart pain you feel or what happiness or what joy within you or what happen inside of you. People have them way they feel like fi shut you down because they want to predict say. Or him a go say this the stone not tough or the stone tough. No. Some of the time I know really that you go say about the stone. Some of the time you want to say, you know, so that stone enough for there so it can put there so and it will fit in there some more. You know, go say the stone tough or the stone soft, but at the end of the day, you just don't want that stone to be there. You want it to put somewhere else, but them never give you a chance even say. And move you want the stone to move. Them a predict say. They say the stone tough. Now this is a simple example. Of people who will have them money, you see me? And send it come give people to do things to them, build house and buy land and all them. And when you work so hard for your money and you leave from where you there, you know maybe some foreign country and come and you look to see your house or you look to see your land and them thing there. And you don't see your house or your land. At them simple things there create violence because guess what? You are create an enemy now and you are create some anger in a person where that person that would have never have them kind of anger against you if you never did even try to trick him as in using him money or eating him money, hard working money, and then I tell him say you have house and land. Yes, of them. This is a simple example. If Uno did see how yes, the whole of the land did look before it turned to be. And me really, with the help of God, and me create all of this so that Uno can even look on this. It's a nice land. You get what I say? And me actually, the buyer for the land, me actually force her. Force her, me down in her skin and I tell her, say, it's a nice land. Hey, it's a nice land. And everybody I tell her, say, a Bush and Gully. Me I go show you. It was Bush and Gully. But, let me tell you, that's why I tell people, say, God have a way of doing things. And some of the time, we must, most of the time, we have trust in a God. If not all the time, most of the time, we have trust in a God. Because God can turn the worst thing to the best thing. Brethren, I be a big tree. If you notice, the type of tree them will drop on the land and them thing there, the tree them hide the land. So everybody will look on the land and say, the land, a Bush and Gully. I'm a boots the person, I'm a big the person like baby to buy the land. And all of who did I say, a Bush and Gully. Now that's the same set of people who want to push me aside now. and control the bush and the gully. Cause some of them say them not gonna live there. Them wouldn't live there so cause of bush and gully.
True
And at the same
confession.
set of people them now, them a push me aside. And them a push up themselves so. And I make it look like say them create it. No, me create this. For them can see the view of this. So them can able to accept it. Because at first it was bush and gully. And me not live there so. Me can't live there so. Me not left town and go live there so. In them bush there. But now, me will believe say this where bush and gully can become the best with the help of God. And thank God for put faith in the person when me down in our skin for buy this. I'm not even gonna tell you now. But from the year me attack on supposed to know. So. One person I could have really about so really. But thank God for that. Now after all of this, we now go see. And me I go make you see what it was before it becomes this now. But me just show you say in life, some of the time, I know you're a stranger are the person who you have to look out for to be a danger. It can be your own. It can be a very, very own. So that's why the Bible even tell you, say, trust not even your own. You see me? A God alone no fail people. But people fail people. So we all know that and we have to try to understand that. No matter how you want to love people and how people want to love you, you have have people who hate you. Contract.
Yeah. When you want to write this, you put some seatbelt on your side like this.
You know what I look for? You see that bamboo root there? You see them hang down bamboo there? Eh? You see them hang down bamboo there? Where you see them wanna drop on a lean down pan. Them hang down bamboo they will come right down in a circle. You that then, so confession. Say you don't know partner tree. A partner that them tall tree there, them 3 tall tree there. A partner them there. And it make furniture and casket. Partner board. The white soft board where you see them have. I build furniture. The name partner board. Them tree there where you see right there. So them tall tree there. A partner them there. Yeah. Nail go through them very easy. And they make good furniture. They make nice furniture. And furniture where they make light. It not carrying a whole heap of weight. So remember, them tall one there. See if you can chop them in a proper length. You see like how them up on the top there?
Them soft, man.
Alright, like how you chop them up so. Yeah. Show them over there so. Right. Nobody show no more in other heat because
no man.
Me no think the root you need so much.
Too much.
No.
The prop side, now watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what a prop now that.
Yeah, but
them I bamboo root them up.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, I'm to hold it over there already. And come again.
Right, may I show you say no matter what go on in life, tough times are gonna come and good times are gonna come. It's just like a storm. It come and it blow and it go on back. But after all of that, it must be a calm after the storm. If one of see how the whole of down here so they look, the port look like this right now. We know that say maybe it's impossible
Yes. We come like this.
to come like this. But with God in the vessel,
Smile at the storm.
smile at the storm, man. God show me, say, where people look on impossible is so much possible. Nothing is impossible once God in the mix of things. So, Virgin, I'm telling you, life nice. And life are the best thing God could have ever blessed people with. And nobody is more than nobody. You see me? Everyone is like on the same level because God now gonna bless you more than how Him bless me. God bless everybody equally. It's just what you want to do with your blessing. And what me want to do with my blessing.
You're watching True Confession. What is your story? What is your journey?
True confession. This is a true confession. Yeah, man.